car meet in North Austin here. It's gonna get wild. There's gonna be a two-step battle here in a minute. Maybe some motorcycles, some flames. Come along for the ride. Let's go check out some cool cars. So loud, my ears, oh my gosh. You know what time it is, we gotta get this car meet a little vibe check. It's pretty awesome. Guys out here getting rowdy, having a good time. Hope you're enjoying it. Let's go check it out. Whoa! bikes, we got cars, we got flames, we got everything. Little car meet here in the Austin area. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a good time here at the little meet. I think I'm gonna head home. It's election night, and I want to check out the results. Hope you guys had a blessed night. We'll see you next time. Peace.